Hello. Today we're going to talk about the CAO Gold. This is a legendary cigar for CAO. Of course, it was the first cigar on the market for CAO. So this really started the company. And to me, it's the champagne of the line. Very elegant cigar, very creamy, very smooth cigar. The Ecuadorian shade-grown tobacco wrapper that we're using is just a great cigar. So if you're looking for something that you want to smoke and share with guys that doesn't smoke often, this is a great choice for you. And again, it's to me it's very creamy, elegant smoke. So I think I'm going to enjoy that cigar if you pick it up.